In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide a group in Microsoft Teams. Unhiding groups can be particularly useful when you want to bring back a conversation or collaboration group that was previously hidden from view. Whether it's for reviving past communications or simply decluttering your dashboard, knowing how to unhide a group will streamline your team's experience. So, let's get started. First, you need to make sure you're logged into your Microsoft Teams account. You can do this either through your web browser or the desktop application, whichever you're more comfortable with. Signing in is pivotal because you need access to your teams and discussions to manage their visibility. You can use your regular Microsoft credentials if you don't have the app installed yet. Once you're logged in, think of the group name you want to unhide. This is essential, as the next step involves using this name for a search. You might recall the name you hid previously, or you may have it written down somewhere. Having the correct group name is key because you'll be entering it in the search field. Now, locate the search bar within Microsoft Teams. It's typically situated at the top of the Teams interface, making it easy to find. Enter the group name into the search bar and hit Enter. This will prompt Teams to display search results that correlate with your input. This step is crucial for identifying and selecting the correct group from potentially multiple search results. Once you see the search results, you should notice the group appear with its name below the search bar, possibly among other results. Simply click on the correct group name from the list. This will navigate you into the group, thus confirming its existence and that it's indeed hidden and ready to be made visible again. Now that you're viewing the group, you should take a glance at the Chat tab located in the left corner of your Teams window. This ensures the group is active within your chat panel and can seamlessly reintegrate into your list of visible chats. From here, hover over the group's name, and you should see 3 little dots appear to the right of the name. These dots are part of a menu feature that offers various management options for the group. Clicking these dots will provide you with a drop-down menu showing further actions you can take regarding this group. Finally, simply choose the Unhide option from the drop-down menu. Selecting Unhide brings your group back into view among your active discussions and makes it easily accessible for any future interactions you might need to have. And that's it. Your group is now unhidden, and you can continue with your tasks in Microsoft Teams. Unhiding groups is a straightforward yet powerful feature to keep your workspace organized and efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy unhiding.